Fat loss starts with one simple movement, and that movement is squats. If you want to burn fat, build muscle, and reshape your body, squats can do all three at the same time. Squats are one of the most powerful full-body exercises you can do anywhere without equipment. When you do squats every day, your body activates large muscle groups like legs, glutes, and core. These muscles demand more energy, which means your body burns more calories even after the workout ends. This afterburn effect helps accelerate fat loss throughout the day. Daily squats also improve insulin sensitivity, which helps your body store less fat. As your legs get stronger, your metabolism increases naturally. A higher metabolism means faster fat burning even while resting. Squats strengthen your core, improve posture, and protect your lower back. They increase blood circulation, which helps deliver oxygen to muscles and speeds up recovery. Over time, your endurance improves, making everyday activities easier. For fat loss, consistency matters more than intensity. Even bodyweight squats done with proper form can deliver amazing results. Start slow, focus on control, and gradually increase repetitions. Squats also release growth hormones that help reduce body fat and build lean muscle. This combination gives your body a toned, athletic look instead of bulky size. If your goal is fat loss, strong legs, and a healthier body, make squats a daily habit. One simple exercise, one powerful change, and one step closer to the best version of you.